In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an order confirmation page in Wix, a popular online website builder. We will go through the necessary steps, ensuring your customers will have access to a detailed confirmation of their order right on your website, which can add a level of professionalism to your online store. First off, you will need to navigate your way into the Wix editor. This is the platform through which you will make all changes and additions. It may sound complex, but rest assured, the user-friendly interface of the Wix editor makes it a breeze. Once you're into the Wix editor, pay attention to the left side of your screen. You will see an icon that looks like a stack of pages. It's labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click this. This will open up a panel that shows all your current website pages and allows for the addition of new pages. Next, locate the plus Add Page option at the bottom of the panel. By clicking on it, you will prompt Wix to create a new page for your site. This is the method we will use to make your order confirmation page. Now, let's add some personality to this page. Wix allows you to name this new page, which can be pretty useful for website organization. For our purposes, let's call this page Order Confirmation. Your new page is ready, but it lacks specific content. It's time to add the customizable order confirmation message to your page. Look for the dynamic design element that reads, "This order is confirmed." Customize it as per your requirements. The goal here is to let your customer know that their order has successfully gone through and is being processed. You can choose to add other relevant order details as well. Every task has been checked off our list, so it's time to finalize the addition. Spot the Publish button, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking Publish will make your new page go live, integrating it seamlessly into your website. All done. You have officially added an order confirmation page to your Wix website. Now, each time a customer completes a purchase, they'll be redirected to this page for a summary of their order, reassuring them that their purchase was successful. Performing such tasks on your own increases your familiarity with the Wix editor and its many features, making you capable of self-managing your site to a great extent.